As a child. For the kingdom of God belongs to men who have hearts as trusting as these little children's, and anyone who doesn't have their kind of faith will never get within the kingdom's gates. Luke 18:17. If you ask children if they'd like to go buy a toy at the store, they don't start debating whether they're worthy enough. They don't question whether you mean it or if you have the money to pay for it. No, children just receive the gift happily. They haven't been contaminated with lies about how they aren't good enough or have done too many wrong things. But as adults, when we hear about God's gifts, we start reasoning things out. I didn't perform up to par. God's not going to bless me. I struggle all the time. I don't feel valuable. Why don't you start receiving God's gifts? God says you are fearfully and wonderfully made. He calls you a masterpiece. He knew you before you were formed in your mother's womb and approved you. He didn't approve you based on your performance. He approved you based on the fact that you're His child, created in His image, crowned with His favor. Now you have to receive that approval. Receive that validation. You're not ordinary, but a child of the Most High God.